Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you new, and welcome back if you done been here before. And as you know, I ain't got no intro. I'm gonna get better. Yeah, I'm gonna rap for my intro. I'm gonna sing for y'all. But today we doing a wig install. I'm honestly not sure. I cannot remember where she said she got this wig from. If they got a website, I'll link it down below for y'all. Y'all, this is my best friend, mama. Yes, y'all, my best friend. I'm gonna put pictures of me and my best friend up in the end, y'all. Cause I ain't never had a best friend I could pick up before. She like a little midget. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. So as y'all know, I ain't good with ball caps. But I'm finna go ahead and try to walk y'all through how I usually do them. Now, what I usually do is try to get one match close to that skin color. I didn't have them, so I used this. So I stretch it as much as I can without it pulling back from behind the hairline, if y'all get what I'm saying. Then I apply the makeup and I apply the whole this spray or the gel or whatever y'all use. In this case, I use Spritz Pump It Up, as y'all can see. The makeup I just used was the Cream Ruby Kisses, and I'm not sure. It was either shade 13 to shade 15. I can't remember because I know I used them two shades throughout the whole thing. Now, what I do, I sew the middle of the cap down, and then I cut off the rest of it after it's dry. The reason why I only sew the middle and don't sew all the way around like you see a lot of people doing is because when they come to get a touch-up, I don't want to have to be sewing a whole bunch of caps on top of each other. That make any sense. I'd rather just be able to cut off that cap and apply a whole new one. Y'all be so crazy and cute how they be getting hype while I be doing their hair. I love it. Now this lace, I hate. This is like, this is the gray lace that a lot of people talk about. Y'all can see the difference. Now when y'all using gray lace, you usually want to go a shade lighter than what the client actually is. For some reason, I used the exact shade. I should have went lighter, but it still turned out good, as y'all gonna see in the end. But y'all, I try to work with everything, literally. But y'all be expecting flawless results with bad lace. Now, I'm not bashing nobody, no company or anything. But this gray lace is harder to work with. But it's work with the bull. Y'all making up words, but y'all get what I'm saying. The products we use in this video is lace tape. I got it from the hair store. You get it from the hair store, order it off Amazon, order it from wherever you want to. But I got mine from the hair store. The lace glue is from Laid by Vivica. Be sure to link her down below too. And the wax stick I used was from Laid by Vivica also. Yeah, I like this glue for it. It really does give a good hold. And I usually use 3 to 4 layers. And a lot of the very first client I used it on still hasn't came back for a touch up, and I did her hair like 2 or 3 weeks ago. She said her hair is still good. For the edges, I use Pump It Up Again. As you can see, I'm still looking for something to do edges with. With these edges, they're very simple to do. A lot of my clients have been requesting them, so I try to make it work. I need to work on them and get better at them, but everybody still like them, so I guess I'm kind of doing a good job. So y'all, this is the finished product. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think. And here go a picture of how I look, y'all. Now here go me and my best friend. Tell them, say you in my business.
My business. Not what I is to me. Period.